This is a finance dashboard built with Telerik and Kendo UI components, now with WebMCP support. As of Q2 2026, the components expose a default set of tools, making their APIs directly available to browser-based AI agents. One prompt and the agent builds a plan and knows exactly which tools, exposed by the Telerik and Kendo components, to call, which in turn call the rich, powerful APIs we've built and refined for years. First, the grid filters to Europe Q4 and highlights the underperformers. The chart redraws to reflect the filtered grid, revenue against target, rep by rep. A PDF is exported, and the scheduler books a new event, a follow-up to review the results. One prompt, 3 components, 1 workflow. The exact same flow executes in the same sequence every time it's run, bringing the agentic experience one step closer to determinism. The components themselves are fully interactable through the web extension that we've built, in order to expose the web experience through WebMCP to AI agents.